Delay in time is the time interval it takes the sensor to start working once the user's presence is detected. It is recommended to change the delay in time in flush valves for urinals or toilets only. Due to the delay in settings, the sensor will only activate the system if the user is detected for the preset amount of seconds. Press the delay in button. Make sure that the sensor is in adjusting mode and press plus a few times to increase the delay in time or minus to reduce it. As an indication that the delay in time was successfully changed, rapid red blinking in the sensor eye will be perceived.